you for joining me and welcome to Fire Extinguisher Training. Let's go ahead and jump right into this. The importance of fire extinguisher training. Fire extinguisher training is essential for ensuring the safety of individuals and property in the event of a fire. Proper training allows individuals to effectively and safely use fire extinguishers to control or extinguish small fires. Fire extinguisher training helps to minimize the risk of injury and damage caused by fires. Now, there are a different few types of fire extinguishers, and they are designed to combat specific types of fires, such as a Class A, B, C, D, and K fires. A Class A fire extinguisher are suitable for fires involving ordinary combustible materials like wood or paper. A Class B fire extinguishers are used for flammable liquid fires such as gasoline or oil. Class C fire extinguishers are designed for fires involving electrical equipment. Class D fire extinguisher are used for fires involving combustible metals. And a Class K fire extinguisher are designed for fires involving cooking oils and fats. Next, we have the pass technique. The pass technique is a simple and effective method for using a fire extinguisher. The P stands for pull the pin on the extinguisher, breaking the tamper seal. The A stands for aim the nozzle or hose at the base of the fire. The first S stands for squeeze the handle to discharge the extinguishing agent. And the second S stands for sweep the nozzle or hose from side to side, covering the base of the fire. Fire safety precautions. In addition to fire extinguisher training, it is important to follow fire safety precautions to prevent fires from occurring. Keep flammable materials away from heat sources and open flames. Install and regularly test smoke detectors in your home or workplace. Develop and practice a fire escape plan, including knowing the location of fire exits and meeting points. Regularly inspect and maintain fire safety equipment such as fire extinguishers and fire alarms. When to use a fire extinguisher. Fire extinguishers should only be used on small fires that are contained and not spreading rapidly. If the fire is too large, spreading quickly, or if there is a risk of toxic smoke or explosion, evacuate the area immediately and call emergency services. It is important to assess the situation and ensure your safety before attempting to use a fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher maintenance. Fire extinguishers should be regularly inspected and maintained to ensure they are in proper working condition. Check the pressure gauge to ensure it is within the recommended range. Make sure the pin and tamper seal are intact. Inspect the hose or nozzle for any damage or blockage. And lastly, follow the manufacturer's instructions for maintenance and servicing. Fire extinguisher placement. Fire extinguishers should be strategically placed in easily accessible locations throughout a building. They should be mounted on walls or placed on stands at a height that is easily reachable. Fire extinguishers should be located near potential fire hazards such as kitchens, electrical panels, or workshop areas. Adequate signage should be used to indicate the location of fire extinguishers. And that's going to bring us to our first question. What is the purpose of fire extinguisher training? The options are A, to prevent fires from occurring in the first place, to develop and practice a fire escape plan, to ensure the safety of individuals and property in case of a fire, to learn about different types of fire extinguishers. And if you chose to ensure the safety of individuals and property in case of a fire, you would be correct. Next up, we have which type of fire extinguisher is suitable for fires involving electrical equipment? Is it Class D, Class C, Class B, or Class A? And the correct answer for this question is going to be the Class C fire extinguishers. Next, what does the P in the pass technique stand for? Point the nozzle or hose at the base of a fire, squeeze the handle to discharge the extinguishing agent, or pull the pin on the extinguisher, breaking the tamper seal. And if you chose pull the pin on the extinguisher, breaking the tamper seal, you would be correct. Next question. What should you do before attempting to use a fire extinguisher? Evacuate the area immediately and call emergency services. Assess the situation and ensure your safety. Pull the pin on the extinguisher, breaking the tamper seal. Or aim the nozzle or hose at the base of the fire. And the correct answer is going to be assess the situation and ensure your safety. Next question, how should fire extinguishers be placed in a building? Mounted on ceilings for better visibility, hidden away in storage rooms, near windows and doors for easy escape, or strategically placed in easily accessible locations. And if you chose strategically placed in easily accessible locations, that would be correct. All right, and that's going to bring us to the end of our mini lesson today. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much.